Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Wisynco. Wisynco is one of the largest distributors in Jamaica. They are most famous for their water brand of bottled water, and they are now going into the beer market. So they built a massive warehouse out here by Lakespen, and this is the Wisynco warehouse we're looking at now. And we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what Wisynco is doing. The Wisynco Group's latest investment, an advanced brewing and canning facility at its Lakespen compound in St. Catherine, signals a transformative shift for the company and the broader Jamaican beverage landscape. Known primarily for its soft drink brands like Water Bigger and the distribution of international products such as Coca-Cola and Monster Energy, Wisynco is now stepping boldly into the competitive and tightly held alcoholic beverage market. This expansion, launched as part of the company's 60th anniversary celebrations, represents more than just a new product line. It marks a strategic evolution in how Wisynco positions itself in the national and regional beverage economy. At the heart of this development is a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure investment. Wisynco has expanded its Lakespen plant to include a cutting-edge brewery and high-speed canning line, adding to the 5 new product lines previously installed. The total cost of this infrastructure build-out has surpassed 9 billion Jamaican dollars, with the expanded facility now covering over 800,000 square feet. This physical growth is matched by a boost in production capacity, with output increasing from 2 million to nearly 4 million cases per month. These enhancements not only reinforce Wisynco's commitment to scale, but also signal readiness to meet the demands of a broader and more diversified market. The brewery's commissioning follows regulatory filings indicating that Wisynco has secured approval for operations involving brewing, distilling, and fermentation. This suggests that the company intends to launch its own line of beers and possibly spirits, entering territory long dominated by Red Stripe, owned by Heineken, and J. Ray & Nephew, a Campari subsidiary. The Jamaican alcohol market, while lucrative, is deeply competitive with brand loyal, meaning that Wisynco's entrance will require both innovation and aggressive marketing. However, the company's unmatched distribution network gives it a key advantage. With established links to supermarkets, corner shops, gas stations, and export markets, Wisynco has the infrastructure to rapidly roll out any new product and scale efficiently. This new brewery also represents a strategic response to internal financial pressures. Wisynco recently reported a 17.5% drop in net profit, attributed in part to heavy depreciation from ongoing capital investments. By diversifying into alcohol, a higher margin category compared to soft drinks, Wisynco aims to stabilize profits, boost revenues, and hedge against fluctuations in existing product segments. In conclusion, the establishment of Wisynco's brewery is a calculated and ambitious move into an industry with high stakes and potentially high returns. It reflects a company that is not only evolving but also willing to challenge the status quo in one of Jamaica's most iconic product categories, alcohol. Whether it ultimately reshapes the beverage industry remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Wisynco's entry into brewing and distillation is one of the most significant business developments in Jamaica in recent years, and it sets the stage for a new era of competition, creativity, and corporate growth. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.